Howdy, and thanks for tuning in to our channel. This is David here narrating our latest trip exploring the beautiful Arizona wilderness. Our hometown of Yuma is part of the Sonoran Desert. It resides alongside the Colorado River, giving us great fishing and boating year-round. We started our trip just north of Martinez Lake. It was a cool morning and we were excited to take our jonboats out on the big river and see what backwaters we could explore. Good morning. We got the boat set up, ready to dock in the water. Here at Mears Point, got the whole dock to ourselves. Martinez Lake looked packed with a lot of fancy boats out there. Well, your boat looked, it's kind of chilly. It's what, probably like 60 degrees. Yeah. I'm not used to this weather.
I'm not either. I didn't dress appropriately. You want to see my handiwork last night and see how it works?
Ooh.
The paracord handle.
I was gonna say, like, I didn't have a tow rope, but now we got this in case we need to tow each other.
Thanks, man. Yeah.
You can fucking anywhere in that shit, huh?
Pretty much.
Anywhere, like 3 inches of water and shit.
Yep. Exactly.
Some horseshoe tournament up on the sandbar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, today. So.
I might have to check that out. Horseshoe tournament. Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be the talk of the thing. Have fun, man.
You too, man. You never waste it. Here, David. Try to pull it. We have no idea what happened, but the Tillotson seized up. And we haven't even put that many hours on it.
I put them up and it got us out here. No, just right here when it started up with the choke, took off the choke and it died. And then when I put the choke on and do another crank, it just...
So it's gonna be 2-man on the skiff here. Poor David in the walk of shame. He's throwing me some Lunchables. For some reason or another, that Tilly just decided to take a dump on us. So now we're gonna roll 2 people in one boat and see how it goes. Alright, you ready for the bullshit, David?
Ready.
God damn it. This is actually kind of fun. And there's a boat that works.
Yeah.
Mamacita, aquí. Yo tengo the longest shaft in Yuma. Yeah! I'm working those on.
That was good. The engine didn't sound bad. Yeah, I'm liking that. How you like? I feel like the width of it. That's the way to go. I'm impressed with the torque of this thing. 15 miles per hour, 2 people, a bunch of shit. I'm good with that.
What is that, David?
It's, second breakfast.
That's a party sub.
In the wilderness.
That's why my boat's been weighing down the whole time.
Yeah, it felt heavy, huh? Man, got some roast beef, some turkey.
Good luck, David! Arizona longtails! Skunk today! Woo!
It's almost going down.
I think that's when they start biting, bro.
Clock reset.
Kiss her. Where she goes. I think you did. I think you took like the worst path. I got that bar back here at least.
Out of town.
Just going through the nasties. Bunch of nasty shit. Wrapping up the night here. So we went pretty far downriver and upriver, all in one boat. Yes, that's tin can.
Yeah, the workhorse mule.
The mule did good.
Yeah, the 420 engine kept up, nice torque, even at low idle, keeping the no throttle. It was just coasting.
2 people in the V-hole. We went freaking upriver.
Yeah.
Caught some fishies. I'm glad your boat broke down at the very beginning and not somewhere very lukewarm and terrible.
Yeah, because we're planning going
To
quite
Bocacho,
a
but
bit, 20 miles just upstream.
yeah.
Overall, we did 20 miles today, Part of it coasting, but trolling, but covered 20 miles of ground.
That's
So
cool.
it's been a long day. We got here at 6 in the morning. It's already 8 o'clock, so it's already been a 14-hour day.
Nice.
You know, got
some
got laid on us.
Victory Topo Chicos.
The bubbly.
Tin Can Champ. So happy with that movie. Thank you, Mudskipper. Ouch.